Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to prevent users from deleting browser history in Microsoft Edge. So guys, to resolve and to make this setting, just you need to follow some easy steps. Firstly, click on Start and type regedit. Open Registry editor. Now in here expand HK local machine, then software. Now find out policies, this one, so expand it. Now expand Microsoft. Now right click on Microsoft, click on new and select key, type Edge. Now double click on Edge. Now right click anywhere, new and select dword 32. So type here allow deleting browser history. So type this similar text, allow deleting browser history. Now double click on it and select valid data 0, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.